Hey guys, this is my ACEBEAM X80-GT2 flashlight here. It's a short, stubby, stout, but very powerful flashlight. It has 34,000 lumens. It comes with 4 batteries, 3100 milliamp batteries that are all rechargeable, which you can see here. I'll show you. Screw the back off. Comes in sort of a capsule holder. Has 4 batteries, 34 milliamps, all rechargeable. The flashlight is actually very bright. It has different light modes, which I'll show you later a bit in this clip. I'll include it. Anyway, this is the power button. This is their heat exhaust button that dissipates the heat because it does get hot. Fair warning to those of you using it. It will get hot over time because of the power it emits actually. So just be careful, watch your hands. And then this is the indicator, the power indicator. It turns green if it's fully charged, like so. Yep, turns red and blinking red if the battery goes down and you need to charge the battery. This part you can also use as a glass breaker, so for emergencies, if you need to break out of a window or glass, just smash it there. It should break the glass. And it also comes with a nice pouch. Insert that. Velcro here for your belt, holster, bag, whatever. Clip, you could clip it onto anything with a carabiner or piece of rope. And then it also comes with a lanyard because you can actually remove this D-ring. It's a screw type D-ring. You can replace it, I think, with a holder for the flashlight. It looks like a normal flashlight holder. I lost mine, unfortunately, so I don't have that anymore. Anyway, I'll give you a lowdown on the different light modes in a bit.
Let there be light in turbo mode. Bam! That's pretty freaking bright. And I can press it and hold it like a second. It'll adjust the brightness, low, medium, and this is just its normal power on. One click, and then you can hold it a second, it'll change. That's low, medium, and this is the strobe feature. Press it 3 times quickly. And now for the red, blue, green, and black light feature, just hold it for the longest time. That's red. Hold it again. Green, blue, and black light.
It's a very cool flashlight, honestly. I love it just because it literally turns night into day. So that's my ACEBEAM X80-GT2 flashlight.